Adam Sandler. Bayesian Pearson's correlation. With JASP. This dataset, Adam Sandler, provides Rotten Tomatoes ratings and box office success for movies featuring Adam Sandler. The data contain the 2001 to 2015 filmography of Adam Sandler together with freshness ratings, indicated by a score from 0 to 1, and box office success in millions of US dollars. The data were obtained from the Rotten Tomatoes website. The variables include year, freshness, box office, and movie title. This example JASP file demonstrates the use of a Bayesian Pearson's correlation. The null hypothesis says that there is no linear association between freshness ratings and box office success, and the alternative hypothesis says that there is a positive association between freshness ratings and box office success, that is, Adam Sandler movies with relatively good reviews attract a bigger audience. The box office is in $1 million, and the freshness or ratings on Rotten Tomatoes ranges from 0 to 1. Under regression, pick Bayesian correlation. Pick freshness and box office. Display pairwise table under additional options, correlate positively under alternative hypothesis, and Bayes factor 0-1. Click plot individual pairs and pick both variables. Click prior and posterior checkbox. Click Bayes factor robustness check. Click sequential analysis. Conclusions. The sample correlation is weak and even somewhat negative, R equals -0.029. The Bayes factor BF0+ indicates that it is about 5 times more likely that we would observe this sample correlation if there is no relationship between the ratings and box office sales than if the correlation was positive, and given by a uniform distribution from 0 to 1.